but definitely not something that is immediately on the horizon. LIC Housing Finance at the low point as well. Let's call Siddharth Rai Mangla, the Senior Research Analyst at Stockbox Technologies, for a quick check on the market. Siddharth, immediately after breaking the 25,900 mark, the Nifty swiftly broke 20-25 points as well. Do you think towards the latter half of trade we will see this accelerate, or maybe at some point there will be some recovery?
Hi, Manglam. Good afternoon. Thanks for having me, first of all. See, Manglam, if we talk about Nifty, the undertone positionally in Nifty is strictly still bullish. So, first of all, positionally, we have to be bullish in Nifty. But Nifty, having said that, Nifty playing zigzag above and below 26,000 in the past couple of sessions has shaken some confidence of the bulls. In fact, a lot of the stop losses are being taken out today itself, which can definitely extend this fall towards those 25,820, 25,800 mark. So there are two ways to play such a market, Manglam. The first one is to just sit on the sidelines and to mark these two levels, 25,800 on the downside and 26,100 on the upside, and to look at these levels very closely. Once the market index is out of this range, then definitely we can start taking aggressive positions. The other way is to take an eventual long position using an option spread, such as a bull spread, for example, because eventually we will see the index going back above 26,000 towards 26,100, 26,150 levels. But because of a spread, we will be able to absorb these zigzag moves in Nifty, and our stop losses will not be taken out. So these are the two ways to play such a market, but eventually we should be positionally bullish on the index.
Okay, got that. Siddharth, any individual trading picks for the day?
Yes, definitely, Vivek. See, there are two stocks, and I think in such a market, it's much better to keep a balanced approach. So one stock we have to buy, and the other stock we have to short. First one we have to buy the stock. The name of the stock is Biocon. See, we saw a very big breakout in yesterday's session, probably a breakout above 2.5, 3 months. Big resistance. So that was a very big breakout. Today we're not seeing a very big move, but just sustaining above those levels is a very good signal for this stock. So I think this stock is very well poised to move towards the big 400 mark. So Biocon can be bought right now. The spot is trading around 374. Our stop loss will be at 366, and the first target is 395, second target being 405. The second stock is SRF. This one we have to short because the stock looks weak. We saw a very sharp fall from 3,200 levels in the past couple of 3-4 sessions. In fact, now the stock has gone below 3,000, which is a very important and a big mark. As long as we are below 3,000, this fall can extend towards those 2920 levels. So SRF November futures can be shorted here. Right now, this November futures is trading around 2988, 2990. We can short it here. The stop loss will be 3010, and our targets being the first target 2940 and the second target being 2920.
Just quickly before we let you go, there are Adani Power numbers at the bottom of the screen as well. Siddharth, do you have a view on Fed FINA? Because there was a story that came in from our colleague that there is likely to be a clean out block trade, and on the back of that there was a spike in the stock, but over the last month or so it has seen a bit of a decline. So do you think this is just a bounce which is untradable, or do you think there has been a bit of a bottom which is put in?
We're talking about Adani Power, right?
No, Fed FINA, Fed Bank Financial. Adani Power were the numbers.
Okay. Just a moment. Not able to open the ticker of this stock.
All right, no problem. We'll try and get your views on another stock another day. But meanwhile, we'll just take that short break. On the other side, it's all about numbers. Moltech Packaging joining us now to discuss their second quarter numbers.